So I still haven't told the wife about this car yet. She's pretty. It's wet. Bay Area status. This is probably a terrible video because of the light, but there she is. We're gonna actually pop the hood, so you can tell right here. So this grill's kind of jacked, but on my E39, that's where you have the latch. It's on this side, so it free balls. So we're gonna try to open the hood. Let's see what's up. So I gotta pull it, and you gotta pull it too.
Really?
I pull, you pull.
Hey, little hood struts work.
Hell yeah, dude. Okay, hold on, let me get a light. You can talk to
I brought the big light back. We used it on the construction site in Tahoe. Wait, have you never checked your fluids on this thing?
This is a fluid check. This is that fluid check. Remember you kept complaining about?
For real, dude?
For real, dude. I haven't taken. This car's been sitting. You know I haven't told the wife. So I haven't done anything to it. So. All right. So when you buy a new BMW, what do you check?
Coolant.
Coolant.
When you buy a V8 BMW, what do you check? Your bank account to make sure you can still.
Okay, good. It's low. Is that low or is it?
That's empty.
Interesting.
It's bone dry.
Okay.
However, you're at this weird angle, so I'm not sure how that impacts the coolant reading. I don't know the shape of the tank on the bottom, but it might, Although that appears to be bone dry.
All right, so we gotta throw some shit in that.
Yeah, water.
No, you know I got that stuff.
You have the actual coolant.
You know I have the starter pack, the BMW owner starter pack in the in my 540. Coolant, tools, more coolant.
Yeah, it's wet in there, but it's certainly low.
So you want to fill it a little bit? Put a little something?
What do you have?
Man, you know I got stuff. There you go. Pick a jug.
This one's probably mine.
I bought 2 of them, dude.
So did I.
Okay, well I bought 2 more.
We've gone through a lot. We've blown up a lot of radiators. That's just...
Here, there's a funnel right here. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we've blown up a lot of radiators.
Do you have the distilled? I have some in my car if you need.
Yeah, let's put some good stuff in it right now. Who knows what's in here?
You don't want to mix it with too much coolant or it will not cool. Coolant's actually very inefficient at moving heat.
Alright, be cool, be cool, be cool.
It moved.
Cool, it moved, hey.
Yeah, the thing's not frozen. Why don't we dump a little bit of the...
Distilled? Water. You have to get some. I think I'm actually out, I'm out of the water, except it's actually in the 5 Series.
That's alright, I've got a bunch.
I was going to say. 5 Series status. Starter pack. Distilled water. You said, are you grabbing one? Alright, cool. Alright, we'll keep that because this thing overheats. Well, it doesn't overheat. It's just a lot of times, we've had problems. Wonder what this is even going to look like. If you guys like this footage, hit the like button. That's what the YouTubers say. I never hit the like button, except a couple of times. My kid... I've done nothing. No code checks. You got your scanner?
Yeah.
Bruh, we running it.
It takes like 20 minutes now.
Bruh. I just hope my wife doesn't come down, dude. That's really my big fear. She's going to come down and be like, hi, Striker. I'll be like, it's the 5 Series. All right, be cool, be cool.
She wouldn't know the difference.
See, now look, you're overflowing.
Yep. So you weren't that low.
Why is my needle not moving, though?
Well, they're stuck. Taking this water, but... Interesting.
251,000 miles, you know, people, anything's happening. Anything's possible.
Whatever. Turn it on for a few seconds.
Man, success. Is the cap closed?
The cap's closed.
Too many BMW Ds. I'm trying to put the 540 in.
Alright, it sucked it down. No, you have to run it with like the heater on.
Oh, you want me to do that process?
Well, you want to suck the water into the heater core, right?
Yeah.
Also, your fan spins immediately. Interesting. It's clutched. Alright, let's take a look here. Yeah, too full. Suck a little bit out. Do you know which one's in, which one's out on that? Say.
No, I know this is gross though.
Well, just don't get a lot of oil in the water. So here, give me one end that's cleaner. Alright, let me see if that's the in or out though, because the pump only works one way. Alright, give it a pump. This is the out. So you want the other, I want the other one.
You getting this footage?
I think so. I don't know.
Clean your hoses. If you're gonna put this thing inside your system, don't have it be
Working
fun.
hard there, so hard you're sweating.
Sweating 24/7, bro.
Go. Alright, we got a couple inches in there. What do you think? Enough?
Yeah, solid. Lock it up.
So you weren't low. You were just a bit low. You could bleed it, try and get all the air out. Alright, have you checked your oil
I
yet?
haven't even checked the oil yet, bro.
Well, the car's supposed to be level, so it's going to read low no matter what, because the oil pan is sitting below the engine, so the oil's all in the back of the pan now. So you can check it, but it'll read low, even if it's full. Twist and pull at the same time. I miss having a dipstick. Yeah, so it's bone dry. Go back.
Count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And our fictitious oil reading is low. So yeah, it's below the low mark. Although, given the angle of the car, I don't know how viscous the oil is when it's cold or how much it moves to the back of the pan. But I would, you know,
Oh,
supposed to check it cold. Power steering.
Yeah, it's got oil. Kind of light.
Yeah, it's not down.
It's greasy as all hell, though.
Yeah. Well, I mean, don't these things leak like a sieve? Okay, I mean, this car looks super
Dude,
well
does it
maintained.
not look super maintained?
Yeah.
I mean, look at this car. Look. I mean, this stuff is clean, bro. Look at the gaskets. 40,000 mile gaskets. That's when it was done. Everything works.
This is an extremely clean car.
Dude, except for that crack. Like, that was the one thing I noticed. See that crack right there?
Who cares?
Yeah.
So it got hot. Or somebody dropped something on it.
Yeah.
Or somebody was clumsy putting it back together.
Okay, so oil's a little low. But again, we need to do an oil change on this thing anyways because it hasn't been,
You also need to change, you need to check your oil not when you're up on a steep hill.
Yeah. What else? Fan clutch. Did you say you wanted to play with the fan clutch?
It's like new.
But then why did you say it kicked on right away?
I think it just does on this car.
It's
But feel it. It's like a new fan clutch.
Oh yeah. Okay. Radiator looks solid.
You're very familiar with the setup. It's
Yeah.
very
Well, that's
similar
why
to the 540.
that's very similar to the 540. That's why this is what it is.
Except this one's much, much cleaner.
Oh, it sounds so much better than my car.
Well, it has an exhaust system.
Yeah. Well,
Which
yeah.
doesn't. Yeah, nothing's cracked. Everything is in. This was a very well maintained car.
I'm telling you, the Silicon Valley millionaires, dude. This was his baby for 251,000 miles. Like, the body's clean too. Like, let me do a little night thing. This is terrible footage. Hold on. Look, not bad. You don't see much. I mean, little things here and there. There's some scrapes. So this light, that's got to, that light is cracked. Got to replace that. This thing needs a bath, but look, I mean, the bumper's pretty good. It's got a couple little bims here and there, but
for a free car, it's great.
For basically a free car, it's great. $500, people. Get on Craigslist.
Some more extra. You went cheap on the tires, but interior looks good too.
Yeah.
It really does. Ready?
Bank vault.
Bank vault.
All right, Strike Dog. So you fully approve of this, right?
I mean,
you in it to
look,
win it?
If I had the time and the space, I'd have a project too. Mine would be a manual because all my cars are automatic.
Oh, we can Manny swap.
You do not want to do that.
Manny swap this bad boy. I got a donor car.
I've never heard a worse idea ever.
We're gonna angel eye these bad boys. The shout out to Shop Life TV, Jason over there. Him and his girl Selena recommended iJDM toy ones, and they go pretty well right there. So shout out to them.
Engine needs nothing.
Nothing. This car needs nothing except for 60 mile an hour, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Okay.
So it needs traction arms.
Hopefully that's not like
It's thrust arms. It's Lem Forder, $85 a piece shipped.
No, but you're hoping that that's what it is, and you're not in for
Yes.
like a subframe mount or something.
But a subframe mount, you wouldn't have that wiggle.
I don't know.
Well, you'd have more of that.
I don't know.
Cosmo Schwarz. Huh.
All right, I have to get to work early, but this is a beautiful car, and for no money.
Do you think we could try to look at see what the hood problem with the thing is?
Why does the thing not stay up? I have no idea. I don't know how these things work at all.
All right, well. Okay. I'm gonna pull the latch. It's right there. All right. See anything?
I mean,
My
it's
latch is totally broken.
this guy. Do it again. Okay, I see this little guy going back and forth. Do it again.
That's going back and forth there.
Again, the cable goes back and forth. All right, give it another back and forth.
Open. Open.
Okay, so I see what's happening. Cool, so when it's closed, it locks down like this. So the cable inside there goes back and forth.
So the cable's
It's like
good.
a bicycle brake cable.
So but the cable's good. Is it?
But then this little guy here. Okay, so this goes inside there.
And then locks on this
and the
thing.
other guy locks underneath. So the problem is this doesn't stay out. This is supposed to come out.
Yeah.
Like on my E46, it had the same
Yeah.
type of latch.
Yeah. So when you
And it would pop out and hang out.
exactly, that doesn't pop out and hang. If you know in the comment
You might
section,
just have a bad spring.
don't forget to like and subscribe. # Basic Marine Wheels for this exhilarating content, which you've probably not even watching at this point.
So this is opening the main latch. Get water in the light here. So it's almost like this.
So this whole thing's replaceable, clearly. Okay.
Oh, easy.
Okay, because
Well, I don't know if it's the piece on the cable that moves back and forth is misaligned. Like, I
no,
don't know.
this is
maybe
a
the
stand.
cable's
This is a
stretched.
this is a standalone. There's no cable on this thing.
No, I know.
Yeah.
but
Oh yeah.
Maybe the cable in there stretched and it's supposed to be at a different spot, or there are a number of things. I'm sure there are YouTube videos on how to fix this.
Yeah, we're gonna make one. We're gonna make a lot of videos. Stay tuned. Any messages for YouTube Strike Dog? Should I tell my wife?
Yes,
You know she's gonna kill me, right? I'm gonna blame this on you. I'm gonna be like, Striker said I could do it.
that's fine. I don't live here, so.